Welcome to MoneySenseLab, where ideas become action and action becomes your future. What if I told you the secret to wealth has nothing to do with intelligence and everything to do with behavior? Ronald Red was a janitor. Simple life, old clothes, no flash. But quietly he invested for decades and died with $8 million. Richard Fuld had prestige, power, and luxury, and still lost everything. Same world, different behavior. Money isn't math, it's behavior. And that's what the psychology of money is about. Lesson 1. Luck and risk matter more than we like to admit. Bill Gates was brilliant, but he also had rare early access to computers. Luck opened the door. Success is never as good as it seems. Failure is never as bad. Build systems that survive both. Lesson 2. Getting rich and staying rich are different games. Many people make money, but lose it by taking the same risks after winning. Wealth grows by avoiding disaster, not chasing excitement. Longevity beats. Lesson 3. Wealth is what you don't see. High income isn't wealth. What you keep matters more than what you earn. Lesson 4. The hardest skill is knowing when enough is enough. We don't want the car. We want the admiration we think it brings. Lesson 5. Money's real purpose is control over time. Savings buy freedom, not stuff, options, peace. Money is behavior. Survival matters. Wealth is quiet. Enough is personal. Freedom is the goal. Wealth isn't a number. It's the power to say no. If this changed how you think about money, comment your favorite lesson.